Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a project offering completely free airdrops. This is an AI-focused project that has raised up to $8 million in funding. It is also highly regarded as having immense potential in the future. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support the team and stay updated on promising projects in the near future. The project I want to introduce to you today is OpenLedger. It has successfully raised $8 million from funds such as Polychain Capital, Borderless Capital, Hashkey Capital, and several others, which you can check out on CryptoRank. So, what exactly is OpenLedger? OpenLedger is a blockchain platform that focuses on creating decentralized solutions primarily for artificial intelligence, AI, development and financial transactions. It aims to enhance the performance of AI models by decentralizing data pipelines and providing a secure, transparent infrastructure. Key features of OpenLedger. Decentralized Autonomous Exchange, DAE. OpenLedger operates as a DAE, allowing users to trade digital assets without intermediaries. This ensures that users retain control over their funds and transactions are executed transparently. Smart Coins. The platform offers smart coins, which are fiat-pegged digital assets designed to reduce volatility compared to traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. This feature allows users to convert Bitcoin into these more stable assets easily. Multi-currency support. OpenLedger supports a variety of fiat currencies and digital assets, enabling users to manage their holdings flexibly. Users can swiftly change their asset mix as needed. Security and privacy. OpenLedger emphasizes user security, claiming that funds cannot be frozen or seized. Additionally, the platform allows users to maintain privacy over their accounts while ensuring transparency through public ledgers. Custom blockchain development. The platform provides services for businesses looking to implement blockchain technology tailored to their specific needs. This includes Hyperledger and EOS.io development, smart contract solutions, and more. The project has confirmed that it will distribute airdrops to users participating in the testnet. So let's join together. First, access the following link, which I've included in the video description. Log in using your Gmail account. Once you're in the project's dashboard, claim 50 PTS. Make sure to do this daily. Next, complete the project's 2 social tasks. First, follow the Twitter page and wait for the system to verify. Then, move on to the Discord account. Oh no, something went wrong. I tried again. But it still didn't work. The system reported an authentication failed error. I'll attempt this task again after the project fixes the issue. After that, go to the Store tab to install the software or extension to run a node. I chose to install the extension. Once completed, log in to start running it. Then, access this link to complete social interaction tasks. Currently, the tasks here have ended. Keep checking this page regularly. And if new tasks are available, complete them. I also joined the project's Discord group. I've just guided everyone through the OpenLedger project and how to participate in the airdrop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you success and good luck. See you in the next video.